Hello, explorers. A city can be just as wild as the country, with nature all around. But where is it? Look for signs of animals, plants, water, and weather. Tap what you find to discover nature in the city. Let's get started. Tap the sides of the screen to move around. Seeds fell from flowers growing near here. Can you find some for this hungry sparrow to eat? You earned a seed. Later, you'll get to plant it. Can you help the pigeon find sticks for its nest? Look, here's something new to do. Can you help the pigeon make a nest? Try dragging the sticks. The pigeon laid eggs, and now the chicks are ready to hatch. Can you help? It's nighttime. Do you notice anything that's different than it was during the day? Seeds fell from flowers growing near here. Can you find some for this hungry raccoon to eat? The raccoon is thirsty. Tap the puddle a few times to help it find something to drink. The pigeon uses sticks like these to make its nest. Come back during the day when the pigeon is awake. The pigeon uses sticks like these. Can you find food for the rat to eat? Do you see any food that a rat might like to eat? You earn seeds to plant. Drag them to the garden. Iris. Water your seeds so they can... Sunflower. Your plants need more time. Dahlia. Parsley. Chives. Cosmos. When you're done, tap the city button to explore more. Do you see any food that a squirrel might like to eat? Seeds fell from flowers growing near here. Can you find some for this hungry sparrow to eat? Tap here to get a mission from me. Some animals make nests to keep their eggs or babies safe. Can you find different animals making their nests? Do you see any food that a squirrel might like to eat? The sparrows are thirsty. Tap the puddle a few times to help them find something to drink. What's the tiniest animal you can find? Look near rocks and leaves that might protect them from bigger animals. Can you help this hungry worm eat the leaves? Draw a path it can follow. The fox is looking for food. Do you see anything it could eat? Can you turn the light on? You have more seeds. Be sure to plant and water them.